Love money, what got me on my balance? I love money, yeah, I love all my business. Yeah, I got police diamonds on me, how these bitches jealous. I would do it go up, I love money go down. I love money, I love money, I love money, I love money, I love money. I love money. I love money. I love money. Aye. We boot up, we get high. We do drugs all the time. Bitch, so much won't fall. So put let's get it. All these pussies, what's up? Sir, but let's get it. All we do is go up. These perk got me in my minute. These what got me on my balance. I love money, yeah. I love all my business. I got police diamonds on me, how these bitches jealous. All we do is go up, we'll go down. Ace made me go up, perks got me ground. Yeah, you said you better come and spin, better turn around. Yeah, you said you want a million, tell me how the fuck it sound. Yeah, I just went and bought a building for a large amount. Yeah, she told me bustin' that, she told me not to ever pull out. Yeah, she told me that she fell in love, she ain't never heard about. Yeah, I just went and bought the doors, time to bring the birds out. Yeah, I just went and bought the lamb, cause that's what they heard about. Yeah, I just flew to London, told her chill out. Yeah, all the smoke in a function with my grill out. Yeah, anybody got a problem, pull a mill out. Yeah, invoice for the fuck creep, pull a bill out. Yeah, got a bad thing in Mumbai, cooking pill out. Yeah, rich junkie, I hop on the stage, repill out. Yeah, ran the Maybach on shrooms, yeah, I do this.
That's what I'm saying, Paras. That's exactly what I'm saying. How's everything, Paras? What to do, Ehab? Oz? So, VIP knows that we basically closed out. I mean, I wasn't paying attention to price whenever it melted through my break even. I should have put stop loss to break even after we were up 20 pips. But regardless, after being up 20 pips, I didn't pay attention. We were fucking down almost 20 pips. And when we came back to price right now, I made sure that's what I was waiting for. I was waiting for price to come back and give me something so I could tell everybody that was actually in the trade to break even. And, you know, get out the trade while they can, while the trade's up here. Now, could the trade still play out 1,000%? Do I think it's valid for us to be in it? I mean, once we were up 20 pips, and then if we retrace another 25 pips, I think that definitely means get out the trade. There's way more. No echo. Echo, brother. No echo. Is there echo or there's no echo? Fuck. Is there echo or there's no echo? There is, or is it my phone? I'll tell you right now. Hello. Hello. Is there any echo? Is there any echo? Pars. Yo, everyone's all rattled up today, eh? That boy said he need to fix his phone. You all good, Oz? It sounds good though, boys. I'm good. I mean, I'm pretty much good. I'm gonna turn back on the music. I'm way louder than the music as well, right? I mean, I think there is. I mean, do you have like really good headset on? Because there is like a minimum echo. Hello. Hello. Is there an echo, boys? Anybody else hear an echo? Y'all confusing me right now. At 782, you got buys. Amin, how's everything, Amin? Amin, let me know if there's an echo on the mic right now, because there's people that saying there's an echo. Any echo on the mic, boys? Any echo on the mic, boys? Oh, I fixed it. The YouTube was open. I knew that something had to be wrong if somebody was saying something. Now there shouldn't be. Now we should be good. All right, we out of this trade, by the way, boys. We closed at break even. But I've been holding this right now to kind of wanted to see where if we'd actually gotten stopped out by holding the trade. If you guys are in the VIP, you guys could see that we called out the trade around, well, we called it out at 185.080. That is the entrance that you see right here. After that, no drawdown. We flew 20 pips into profit. We were pretty close to hitting our TP. Nonetheless, didn't secure anything, and it turned around on us. It actually turned around on me, and I didn't get to close at break even as it fell. I just recently closed at break even as price rised back up and tapped this little SMA. And yeah, so then you guys see it close at break even, boys. Price was rising. That's when I did a little retest of our break even. That's how it looks right there. And yeah, another break even for the month. So we are break even, win, break even, break even. Jesus Christ. We really don't want to lose if we break it even that much. Alright, this was gold. No, this is GJ. I'll fill this out later so you guys don't have to. Let's try to see if we're going to catch another trade with all this volatility that we have right now. I mean, I still think it's a valid setup. Now, would I prefer to probably take the setup way while it's already engulfing this 50? Probably. Let's go for a win this stream. Yeah, statistically, we should be able to go for a win. Or the lot. You know, statistically, it makes no sense. But let me see. August, how did we finish August? We finished August, so in a loss. That's fucked. September, break even. Then win. So loss. Alright, then win, break even. So no, technically a loss pattern wise makes sense coming next. So I'm gonna keep this up. I'm gonna keep this up right here. I'm gonna just keep it like this. This makes sense. So I could just know if I get stopped out eventually. This is, what trade was this? This is the trade we took on yesterday. This is yesterday's trade, boys. How's everything though? Paris, have you taken any trades today? Amin, have you taken any trades today? Hey, the audio sounds good, boys. I'm well over the music, or is the music a little bit loud? You're taking trades on your mind. Oh, me too. I'm always taking trades on my mind. Like right now I'm gonna buy mentally. Oh, just got clapped mentally. You were in gold buys. I was in gold buys, but it took me out at break even before going up. Man, honestly, you can't get upset when those happen. When those happen, it just looking good once again. Sheesh. Hey, I had to wear the hat because I wasn't looking good. And now I'm looking good. It's crazy. The power of a hat. Thank you, Oz. Yep, I'm in a GJ long since last night. Jesus, Ehab got in at 780, he said. I was looking at 780. 780 got hit like yesterday, bruh. And then you're in a long since yesterday. So what, you guys take those trades on swing accounts? Or you guys take those trades on like, what? How the hell you be able to fucking hold it the whole day? Do you get charged a swap? You guys just take the swap? Let me ask you guys, anybody that swing trades, can you just get a swing account and just like scalp on it? Oh wait, the leverage is lower, right? On a swing account, so therefore, nah bro, buy limit set. Damn. High key, this is giving me descending wedge vibes, right? But, oh, and noob double bottom setup right here. But the noob double bottom setup mixed with this descending wedge should be calling me for long. Boys, Mr. Bullish Lifestyle thinks that this could be the perfect sniper sell, right? I'm not saying to take the sniper sell right now. Please don't be a gambler and hop in whatever I'm throwing up on the screen right now. Oh, this is a buy. Don't be a gambler. But I'm looking at something like this right now. A continuation of that. You know, we already started pre-London and opening London session with big bearish momentum candlestick, right? Yes, we engulfed the 8 SMA, which means we should, you know, let me see, hourly engulf. So I mean, it's pretty simple. This hourly candlestick is going to really determine what's going to happen here. Yes, we can keep on going bearish and then reverse at lower levels, but this candlestick engulfing this 8 SMA means that we're going to next probably just hit the previous hourly high, and that means that we're really bullish for the rest of the night, right? I'm convinced. But if this hourly flips bearish, which is kind of what I was saying of the sniper sell that I see possibly happening right here, this setup right here, break of these lows, I wouldn't take it at the break of the lows. I would actually take it at the 8 SMA bounds. You know, that would be like right here, stop loss well above here for a 0.618 rejection of the downside if we do want to take fib shorts, you know. So we'd have level support. So we have, remember how I whenever I throw a setup, I think of it like a soccer game. You know, I need levels of resistance. You know, like I got defenders on the field here, making sure my price doesn't get hit. I got the goalkeeper back here, and my goal's right here. You know, but yeah, no. What we're basically seeing is this hourly candle has a lot to sell. So if we start breaking lows, yeah, we could still reverse. I'm not gonna say if we break these lows, I see us being bearish, but if we break these lows, there'll definitely be a move to be caught. Now, if this hourly starts engulfing this 8 SMA. Next level to be able to touch for 100% is probably this resistance right here, and that just means that we're going to keep on being bullish. That boy said, okay, we out here bringing football into this. That's the way I see the charts, man. I gave that analogy yesterday, and I think it's a great analogy of like when somebody asks me like, how do I place a stop loss? It's like, how do you place your defenders on a football field? It's the same shit. You need to look at levels that are going to protect where you don't want to get hit. So why can't I fucking erase these drawings? Race. Hold up. I'll show you a little example of what I'm talking about for people that think I'm crazy. So imagine we take a buy right now, right? Why am I not going to take a buy right now? Due to the fact that I do not want to place a stop loss where I would have to place a stop loss for this trade to be valid. Okay, what if I am willing to take a big stop loss trade, right? Where is a valid stop loss? My valid stop loss, you know, the one valid stop loss right here, but the real one, it would be beneath this 50 SMA. Okay, why? Due to the fact that you have rejection levels where we've seen major support being held, bullish momentum here, right? There's huge block orders. So then I imagine, all right, this is one level right here full of like defense that's going to protect me from this little area down here, you know, getting touched. What else? This 50 SMA. This 50 SMA, you see huge rejections at this level, and as well, this 50 SMA is rising. So by the time price goes down, this is still going to go up. So it's going to be above this little level of line of defense that I have right here. And then as well as these levels over here, this used to be resistance and it became strong support. Look at it right here. Boom, lined up also right here. So then you just start, you know, so it's like, where is the valid stop loss? Is there a valid trade? I mean, the valid trade is throwing the stop loss all the way beneath here. Now, more riskier trades would be, you know, obviously the shorter the stop loss, the more riskier it would be. But the less lines of defense, the less lines of, you know, that's the way I look at it. The less, you know, less chance you have of it hitting due to the fact that you have less levels of support to turn the price around, technically speaking. But yeah, that's the valid trade that there is to be taken here. Now, obviously, somebody would say, hey, how about why can't I put it at the stop of it? Yeah, you could put a stop loss beneath this hourly low, but I mean, remember, support and resistance also act as magnets. So if we put support level right here, you know, support level, right, by the time that this flips bearish, we already know that we're going to get stopped out. You know, if this hourly flips bearish, there's nothing that tells us that we're not going to get stopped out. You know, it would be pure luck if we didn't. And it goes so on. You know, hopefully that was a little bit of a well explanation. I think this is going short though. Oh shit, we bring football. Okay, love that, brother. Anybody in any trades right now? We got ones in the chat for gold for GJ buys. Anybody ones in the chat for GJ buys, twos in the chat for GJ sells. What are you guys seeing right now? Let's see what we got. Let's see what the live stream says. LM is in a sell. I think you were in a sell yesterday also as well, brother, no? LM. What's your name so I can not call you LM? 10 pips to go till TP. Till TP. What was your entry? Did you like hop in this little sniper? I was always in a sell. I'm always in a sell. I like that. Jesus Christ. You're one of the dangerous ones. He is Miguel's lost boy. Entry 185, 160. You took a sell. So you took a sell. Did you take a sell while it was going up, or did you take the sell while it was going down? That's the last question. More of the sell, but wouldn't take this one. GBPJPY. We have a pretty quiet chat here tonight. I was born with all this drip. I came with a faucet. Everyone. Boom! That was the flip I was talking about. Look at that sniper ass sell would have happened. Sheesh! That's what happens when you're trading aggressively. You'll be able to catch moves like that. Nonetheless, we're not being aggressive due to the fact that we are taking one trade today. And I do the one trade a day to kind of make sure that whenever you guys join my live stream, I always say this, for anybody that's new, it's so you guys, whenever you join my live stream, you know what to expect. You know, you already know that it's not, no, it's not that we're going to fucking take a buy, and if we lose, we're going to fucking take another buy, and if we lose, we're going to take another buy, and then at the end of the day, we're going to be like, oh yeah, well, but we made up for all the losses, and therefore we're winners for the day. No, we're taking one trade. Are we in a trade? No, we're not in a trade. That's exactly what I'm talking about. That's why I'm going to take one trade a day. So when people join my live stream, they know what the fuck we're doing also. You know, it's like, hey, did you take a trade? No? All right, beautiful. You know, let's get moving. Look for that trade. Where's that little sell setup I had? Let's see if it... This is the little sell setup I had right now. Cheesh. Kebab. Definitely would have turned out nice. But I wasn't going to take those executions too early on stream. Also, we only got like 43 people, bruh. Trying to perform with a bigger audience here. Hey. Oof, it's turning around. Bro, look at 15 minute. It's approaching a demand zone. Yes, sir. There's levels. There's lines of defense here. I agree. Real ones get more knowledge. The real ones. I think it's because I probably started a little bit later than I was supposed to. I have to log a break-even trade here. Good morning, Kiro. Kiro. Wow. All right. Good morning, everyone in the building. What to do, Malico? We got Ehab in the building. We got Keto in the building. We got Kyron in the building. Paras, Oz, Amin, Magic Tech. Magic Tech says buy. Ehab and Magic Tech are completely convinced with the buys, and I like that. Morning, broski. What to do, Daniel? Tash TV. Oof. Now we're seeing the bullish lifestyle OGs show up. Man, so for anybody that does not know, I called out this trade for the VIP, right? This one right here to the left. I'm going to take this off the screen. This was the trade that we called out for the VIP. chat, we went straight into profit. After going into profit about 20, 23, 24 pips, price decided to melt out on us. We didn't really have a chance to come back. Yeah, and then we just ended up closing at break even. And I have this here just because I want to see if I would have gotten stopped out. Entering GJ shorts today. If I was gonna take a trade right now, I would have been taking a sell. I wouldn't take it as we speak right now. As we speak right now, it's beneath the 50, where I think that, you know, it's good. It's your best statistical chance is trying to play out the risk or reward of it trading now above the 50 SMA, so a bounce. But regardless, yeah, I would definitely be looking for sells at these levels right here. And then, yeah, I already kind of gave that explanation when I put up that P&L. The Botas hat, yes sir. When he was wait.
Wait, what? You got dropped.
Huh?
You got like...
Botas? I think Botas is not with me. Yeah, he left. Wait, I'm not even sure. Where's Botas right now? I'm pretty sure. Exactly. He's not in Mercedes. Valtteri. Oh, I'm drinking my fucking Energizer drink and it's just making me more and more tired. Oh, he's in Alpha. There you go. I knew he was in fuck shit. Is that... I didn't know if it was Alpha Ferrari. Due to the fact that fuck shit a couple years ago was Ferrari. Or like 2 years ago. Alpha felt like Ferrari back then. Now Ferrari's ahead of the game now. Very different. The car is the winner. Fuck the driver. It's about the car. For example, engineers get to work on cars with a set of like regulations that are given to them. The regulations change every year, so every year you got to change the car. Ferrari they said, I'm going to step back from us racing this year, like, or whatever. They stepped back from the whole competition. They stepped back and they got to receive paperwork of what they had to work on before everybody else did, basically. So like 2 years ago, people knew that Ferrari was going to come fucking hard as fuck. Why? Because they knew that they had the preparation for it. They knew they were going to be able to build the car with the shortest amount of time. I mean, with the most amount of time, with the most amount of preparation, with the most amount of research. And therefore, boom, I don't know where they perform. And then I know where now Ferrari's just fucking winning with the youngest 18-year-old when they were fucking popping off, which was a year ago with Lando. No, it's that they fucking got to prepare the car well enough. It's all about the engineers. The real team that's behind Formula 1 is like the motherfucking engineers. The guys that build the fucking car. You hear it in the conversations. These guys are just the driver. They're just another part of the team. You gotta rely on the other motherfuckers doing everything.
So you said it's a car per year?
It's basically, yeah. The car, I mean, not it's a complete new car, but the car does have to change every single year. The car changes. Yeah, no, they gotta change it. Yeah. Adjusting things. You have to adjust things. Regulations change. I don't know. There's a whole bunch of things. I don't know the complicated part of it, but that's what I was explained. Long in Euro USD. Boy, this thing look bearish as fuck. I like that it's at a support level. I like that it's like a sniper buy. Obviously, if you take a buy, you're gonna be able to see a rejection and probably see a little bit of some pips. But I don't know. There's just so much bearish momentum. It's kind of like whenever you're just completely against trend. All right, now looking at GJ. GJ is back in the range, boys. Back in the range. It's hitting major levels of support. Smart thing to be doing here is taking buys realistically. Now, reason I'm not taking buys is one, I was in the buy, got stopped at a break even, waiting for price to kind of like, you know, I don't like hopping into the same kind of setup multiple times. You know, I always give the wave explanation. This is a part of the same wave. You don't want to hop into the same wave twice. Now we could hop in at a lower price. High key, I kind of like this. We're not taking this trade yet, boys. We have not executed, not in a trade yet. Let me make that very clear. Not in a trade yet. Not just yet. Don't spam. Don't spam. Who's spamming? What are you talking about? Yeah. Not in a trade yet. Oh, this didn't even say trade. We have a lot of PMI news. You see, I knew I was missing something. We got shit. We don't got dog poop. What you talking about, Ehab? Ehab's in a different freaking matrix right now. He said don't spam and nobody was spamming, and then now he says we have PMI news. And I'm looking at the news. I mean, there is PMI, but this is like, does this even do anything to the market? Yellow. Oh, thank God we're not in this trade yet, boys. Guys, I want to know who's in to buy. One's in the chat if you guys are looking for buys. Two's in the chat if you're looking for sells. What the fuck are we looking for? Like I said, boys, we called out a buy for the VIP channel, and we ended up closing at break even due to the fact that, you know, price did a huge turnaround. We did hop in 20-something pips with no drawdown, so that was good, but like it up. Yeah, boys, you guys already know we hit oh, dude, I fucking fucked up my chart. This was the trade I was in the VIP, but we closed it at break even. I just want to see what would have happened, though. That's why I have it still out, boys. All right, so Nadeem says 2. Nadeem is with the sells. Where are you in? In the sells? Relax. Oh, this is boys, are you guys super delayed? There's something wrong here, I feel like. Dude, I feel like, oh wait, hold on, let me. My bad, brothers. I was fixing something. My bad, brothers. I was fixing something.
Live.
Buys at GJ when support forms at 184.782. Let me look at 184.782. Boys, I am so glad I closed that break even on this trade. This is coming down with momentum. This is coming down with momentum, boys.
Why is he not saying it's muted when he can hear you?
No, it was muted. You duck when I was talking to you. Oh shit, I don't have the music on. My bad, boys. I was wondering, I mean, guys, all right, one's in the chat if you guys are paying attention right now. I need to see some action in the comments right now. I'm confused. I thought that the chat wasn't working because I said one's for buys, two's for sells, and nobody said anything. Nobody thinks anything. GJ, just 104 people watching and no fucking response. I thought that my shit wasn't working. Buys? Or are people just unsure? People scared? Looking for buys on Dirty 30. Man, I love trading the Dirty 30. Literally everyone was ignoring me. I'm just gonna ignore everybody else the same way I'm being ignored. We are in support resistance London Open session. That's whack, but we got to work with it. I think that we're in a great level to be in at London Open. I think it's better than being in the middle of the range. Right now we're coming towards the bottom of the range because realistically price is still in a range, right? We're not gonna say that we're bearish because of this bearish leg right here. It doesn't mean that the sell is bad. It just means I'm not saying that market structure is bearish due to the bear leg. Just like because of this small impulse, I'm not going to say that. Yeah, zooming out at this chart on this 1 hour, we're not bearish or bullish realistically. Besides this move right here, this is bullish, but like coming off of this move, you know, we're in the middle of a range right now. You know, we're in the middle of a range with a whole bunch of levels of support and resistance. Where price can do whatever the fuck it wants realistically. high probability setups, whenever we're in the range, is kind of just play the statistical odd that's been happening. So for example, as we're selling, take a sell. As we hit support, if we've bounced that levels of support many times before, take the buy. You know, just keep on playing the odds that have been repeating themselves, right? Now, obviously there's major risk in certain setups of these. For example, taking a buy here, there's a lot of risk in it. I'm gonna play patient, boys. You guys ready now? I'm only gonna take one trade today. I already took a trade earlier, so definitely we're only taking one trade today. We either losing together or we either winning together. I think I want to take GJ buys, but I definitely believe that GJ needs to keep on coming down just a little bit more. Hopefully it keeps on coming down. I'm tempted to take, you see, like it is right now. I love it. I'm tempted to take a buy, but I do feel like it needs to come down a little bit more. Because I feel like it needs to come down a little bit more doesn't mean that I'm trying to hop in a sell. Also, boys, just because you expect price to hit a certain level doesn't mean you need to trade it till that level. You know, you could easily just wait till it hits that level and try to anticipate the next reaction that it will have. You getting it correct the first time is the confirmation that you understand what's happening with price. Need to see some more confirmation to make a smart decision. Not gonna lie, right now, not gonna lie, just gonna wait. I agree, 6. I agree. That's exactly the vibes I'm on. Love it. Love to hear it. Brittany Star James White. Whoa, you got what a name. Brittany Star James Watkins. I like Watkins. Watkins would have sounded, but Brittany Star James Watkins. Gold is selling again. Let me look at gold. That sounds like Julio Montoya Ramirez. You remember that guy? The Julio Montoya Ramirez? From The Sweet Life of Zach and Cody.
Oh, isn't the guy with the little...
Somebody's name's here is come read this name, Miguel. I want to see if you can do it.
What?
Yeah, you can read this name. Fast.
Brittany Star James Watkins.
I like it. It's like just it hits you again and again and again and again. Brittany, not Brittany. It's Oh no, it's Brittany.
Brittany.
Or is it Brittany?
Well, that's Spanish.
Star is my middle name, and James Watkins is my maiden and married last name. I fucking love it. I think it's like.
So he has 4 names?
Sounds like you'd be in a movie.
There's 4 names then?
No. It's a normal name. Just she put her. It's like me putting Duncan Julian Chevasich. Oh no, but I'm not a girl. I guess a girl because the girl she said maiden's name. So no.
No, because you take your last name.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know, bro. I forgot what. I'm a singer. No. Adrian Freedom. Morning. Good morning. It definitely sounds like a singer name, though. I'll give it to that. Brittany Star says, yes, I'm a lady. All right, yeah, so I was down. All right. I'm always saying boys. All the boys. All right, boys. I mean... It's instinct. Yeah, no, we're being patient here. Damn, now I was about to say boys again. I always say boys though. I'm always like boys. And now I can't. I'm like trying to not say it. We're being patient here though. Price is falling. Currently to my right here we have Miguel. Miguel's here on the right, in a cell, hanging out with the boys. Miguel cheated with EU and left GJ. It was for a good cause, he said. Ah, dude, I'm tempted to be. Anybody taking buys right now or on this level right now? Oof, it's rejecting. I'm getting a little bit of the foam. So what I like about this setup is due to the fact that we're beneath this 50 SMA, right? If you look at the 30-minute time frame, zooming out, SMAs flipped from being bearish to them being bullish, right? They're in our bullish favor. 50 SMA is beneath, 8 SMA is above, price is riding above our 8 SMA. Okay, right. Then price started falling very strong and aggressively. When it falls strong and aggressively, what is that? An impulse. When there's a huge impulse, what does that mean? that the correction is going to be not just as big, but there's going to be a big correction. That's my point. Whenever there's a big impulse, you already know that, yes, there's going to be a big correction, as in the reaction when it goes the other way is going to be decently big. So that's what we're seeing right here. So whoever got themselves into a buy due to the fact that they knew that there was going to be a reaction, you put yourself on profit, right? Now, I don't know if we're going to be able to keep on pushing, but what I do like about the fact that we could keep on pushing is that we're trading beneath this 50 SMA, right? It's a typical setup where price trades beneath the 50, triggers in a whole bunch of sellers, acts like it's going to keep on selling off, and by the time that these two SMAs start getting near each other, price decides to whoop, jump back up, and now it starts trading above the 50, and then it could possibly range in between the two SMAs or just start trading above the 8 SMA again. Typical setup. I've seen it happen though. Starts trading. Oof, prices. Yo, we have volatility today. The London crossover is gonna be crazy, boys. It's fucking. Are you still in the sell? Yeah. Did you not call out the sell to your team? Y'all heard that?
I lost my entry. Like, I lost, like, the entry on the side.
Dude, I'm hesitated to hop in a buy.
What?
I swear. I guess it needs to come down maybe a little. Dude, the EHAB is getting me. Thinking about it. What do you... The lobby, this is like one of your sniper 1 minute entries, brother. Like, this could be it right here. This could be a 1 to 100. 6 said no way he's going in a buy right now. Is that, look, we're beneath this 50. I don't think we're gonna just keep on melting. And like, for us to keep on melting right now is you guys telling me that you guys think that we're gonna melt the whole fucking London session. Like, we're not gonna melt the whole London session, boys. We gotta retrace. Like, this was the bear move. Look, a break of structure. It's about to break this structure. High key, maybe it needs to break this last structure down here, triggering people into thinking that we're really sells, and then we buy. Up to the moment, if I would have taken a buy, it would have been in drawdown. So, yes, patience has paid off. If patience has been paying off, we will be patient. It's melting even on the 1 minute. On the one. It's... I love it, man. I high key... Oh, Jesus Christ, dude. Something like this is what I live for. How many? That's a pretty short stop loss though. It's like 20, not even 15. I take like 30. Candlesticks aren't even that big. Uh, 50 lot short on GJ 1 minute time frame. That was my psychological position. I already got clapped. The mental trade. I'm definitely bullish on GJ. I had way too much drawdown when I take GJ sells. Dude, that's so funny. That's how I feel sometimes about my buys. Now we had today. Today was the second day in a row that we hopped into a buy, 0 drawdown. We hopped into this move right here. It was 0 drawdown, and yesterday, I erased everything from my GJ chart. That was pretty fucking stupid. We had this long. We caught this long yesterday, boys. Stop fucking playing with us. This was sent to the free chat, boys. Like, I caught my position around here at the 150. My dumbass closed it right here. Alright, maybe I should have even showed that. Jesus Christ. I mean, in my defense, like I said, boys, I am passing challenges right now, so my goal was to just make the profit that I needed to make and keep on moving forward. It's different when you're trading a live account and you're average and you're focusing on maximizing on profits, maintaining profitability, and managing risk correctly. Managing risk correctly starts going out the door when they start telling you to reach 10%, right? It starts going out the door when fucking motherfucking customers are fucking bitching at you for not being up 10% in fucking 2 days. So my goal was make a 1% and keep on moving, look for the next trade, and then it popped. So that's, and I'm accountless right now. I'm a part of my Forex funds people who are accountless and just fucking feels like you're homeless. You just got kicked out your mom's house. Just got kicked out your mom's house with nowhere to go. That's exactly how it feels. You just feel fucking... News on GBP in 57 minutes. Damn. What do you guys mean though? GBP. Is the PMI gonna... So what, is this red folder? Does PMI typically move the market? Even when it's like... It is nothing. I'm getting confused with other people. Eric says, Eric is here. Eric says, news? Ha 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 ha. You are probably new to Forex. Fuck it. And then he adds the dude. Like, what's up with you, Eric? You on savage mode or what? That boy here just trying to fucking... Yeah, he's trying to fucking pick a fight. Like it's the old Wild Wild West. Have we entered? No, we have not entered. I apologize. We have not entered. I'm being a little bit patient, boys, due to the fact that, yes, any trade that we take right now is a little bit higher risk than usual. Now, I don't mind taking high risk trades, right? It's a part of the game. High risk, high reward. Just realistically, with me being only on for 40 minutes, I definitely want to give you guys a banger. I don't want you guys to start fucking over leveraging on some random ass trade that could easily just start going into major drawdown. Like this trade could easily just turn around right now and keep on going down. This doesn't go to say that this is a valid setup. It doesn't go to say that I'm mad that we're not in it. It's nothing. Nothing's happened. Price has literally bounced fucking 4 pips. Now, do I think that we could wait? Like there are safe plays to go out here. Like I'm pretty sure if we start trading above, let's say this, can't draw. If we start trading above these levels right here, we reach 185, 100 again. I don't think that there's a damn chance that we're not going to 185, 500. You know, like the second that we cross this line right here, we're definitely coming all the way up to over here, or at least testing it by the end of New York session. You know, like we're gonna see some reactions. And then it's the same thing if we start breaking more lows and we start actually melting out through the whole session. That means that, hey, there's a huge, oh wow, no, it's turning the fuck around. This is all just fucking triggering a whole bunch of people into being confused. Why the fuck did my P&L disappear? That shit looked so beautiful. Oh, it's right there. How many pips will we get in profit? 12? Don't tell me that. Oh, this is the trade we took yesterday. Oh, no, it's not. I put this up right now. Adrian answers to Eric. I am super new. Born yesterday. That's so funny. Dude! I told Ehab we should have hopped in, bruh, but he didn't want to. He was scared. Now I'm feeling a little triggered. Hey, and everybody was calling me buttfuck crazy in the chat for saying that this looks too juicy for buys. They're like, what? I would never. I was like, what? This thing's calling my name right now, bruh. Looks beautiful. Oliver entered? Look at that. Olivercito. What a name. Paras. Paras. You took the buy? Right now? Do you swing? Bruh? You trying to fight? I swing, bruh. I kick, I swing, I wrestle. Nah, bro, I don't swing. Miguel's still thinking that he can do profit in GJ. That's what Paras said. Yo, Paras just hops on one side or another. He says, who's waiting? I'm on this guy's team. That guy don't know that you in profit right now? It's going. Miguel sniped the sell, I think, dude.
I got like 185. I sold and
Malika. My highest pip trades that I have taken, I guess, like the most pips I've held, I guess, in the last 3-4 months have been maybe like a 50 pip trade, right? And that's been from me being in one certain size position and then doubling up the stop loss, willing to risk more. I don't really, so like sometimes my trades have been caught where it takes us around 4 to 5 hours for it to hit. Now it's not due to the fact that I have a fucking like 30 pips, guys. We could see 30 pips get hit on GJ in one candlestick. Just sometimes the candlesticks are just not moving in the favor of where it's gonna hit the destination. I don't know. Just so like I don't know. I'm definitely a scalper. I consider myself a scalper. But then people go on the freaking people scalp 10 pips and 5 pips left and right, and they consider themselves scalpers. Right, so then they would consider me an intraday trader, but for me, an intraday trader, actually, I don't even know, bro. There's just so many like little terms. It really just is how the way you look at it. I trade though. I trade setups that I see that are valid. And up to the moment, we are still not in a trade, boys, and we are still going to take one trade. Obviously, we are waiting for I need price to start moving from this section. We're in between these two SMAs on the 2 hour. Let me see the 4 hour. 4 hour. We are rejecting this 8 SMA. So realistically, looking at the 4 hour, we shouldn't be panicking over sells. Really, realistically, it looks like a buy. You know, unless we believe this 4 hour, right? This 4 hour closes in 1 hour and 20 minutes. So now the question we need to start asking, boys, looking at GJ. 4 hour closes in 1 hour and 20 minutes. In 1 hour and 20 minutes, will this 4 hour candlestick reach this support? Stay at this one that it's at right now? Or will it start reaching this one? And if it reaches this one, realistically, obviously, it might hit this one, but that one, there's no need to put that. So we're either going to bounce from here to here or from here to here. There's nowhere else to go. It's that simple. That's what we're looking at on the charts. There's literally no more. There's nowhere else it can fucking go. You know, you got it trapped. You know, now you just got to realize, all right, we're going downwards, but hey, kind of losing bearish momentum. Does that mean that we're going to bounce from this magnet level to this magnet level? Or did we lose bearish momentum to trigger in buyers to then just randomly hit us with the real melt where we're going to come down to this level down here? That's the way you guys got to look at price. All we do as traders is read where the candlesticks are going. So when you get into specifics, what I do is I read where the candlestick opens and I start paying attention to where that candlestick needs to close. And I do the same thing with the daily candlestick. I do the same thing with the 4 hour candlestick. I do the same thing with the 1 hour candlestick. You look at where the candlestick opens and you start trying to anticipate, where is this candlestick going to close? Where does it need to travel before it closes? Is also another good question. Dude, Miguel sniped that motherfucking sell. How the fuck? Oh. Whenever I start saying O's, I feel like I get everybody rattled up when they're in a trade. Does it get you guys rattled up when I start going oh and reacting to price? Just put that buy signal, Duncan. It looks like a buy, dude. It really does. So what do I like about this is that we already have a lot of bearish momentum, right? So if we're going to keep on melting through London session, then we're just going to keep on melting. But I'm seeing the bearish momentum die out, boys. One's in the chat if you guys see buys right now. Now, it doesn't need to be short-term buys. It doesn't mean that I think you guys think it's going to go. Like I'm talking about, do you guys think that the end of the session? One's in the chat if you think the end of the session is going to be a bullish GJ. Two's in the chat if you think the end of the session is going to be a bearish GJ. I want to know what you guys are thinking. Forget my opinion. I want to know your opinion. Arnold is I'm tempted. I'm tempted. I just know that it would be irresponsible for me to hop in right there. But hey, aren't rules meant to be broken? Is that from the Bible? Yeah. Didn't they fucking put two motherfuckers? I'm not gonna say the story of Adam and Eve, brother. Pretty sure Aristotle told, this is what Brian said today playing golf. Aristotle said, one thing that he knows for sure is that he knows nothing. But when he told me that, I was like, that sounds so stupid. I don't even know if that's real. You clearly know something, especially if you're one of the goddamn fucking philosophers. You do know something though. Guys, does that make any sense? The only thing I know is I know nothing. That's what Aristotle says.
Yeah, I mean, they say they ask for something.
But you know, maybe the only thing I know is that I know very little.
The only thing I know is that I know nothing about that, you know? Like...
Look at the 5-minute rejections. I think strong support should be formed before reversing. Yeah, so it's like, I mean, waiting for confirmations is exactly what, so when I'm saying I'm tempted to hop into a buy, it's not because I see that there's, I mean, I'm waiting for the confirmation. Now, tempted to hop into a buy is because I want to be able to get the sniper of the sniper of the sniper entry, which is just catching for whenever it's, you know, but I mean, I'm not in the trade for a reason. I haven't called it out for a reason. I got 122 people here waiting for me to call it a trade, and I didn't call it out for a reason. Will Miguel be streaming New York? I think Miguel will be streaming in about like an hour. Because he's here next to me, he's drinking coffee, and he's in the cells, and he's been in the cells for a while, then he hopped back in, so like, I don't know, Miguel's just cooking. You guys know when you guys just cooking? It was Socrates, not Eris. I knew it, I was about to say it's Socrates, but then I was like, yeah, dude, damn it, yeah. That he said all I, no, but Socrates is the one that says that, all I know, no. But yeah, you guys should fucking spam Miguel in the Miguel chat and tell him, hey, you should share your signal with us, the cell, and you should tell him to get on stream with y'all. I saw. If you guys want to be able to look at Miguel's analysis for all the pairs, guys, remember, you just go to the little VIP section all the way at the bottom. Oh wait, that's for the VIP. Did you send a members analysis for the free chat?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah, but I want to send this once.
I'm not even gonna look for it anymore to find it. Yo, you make any moves yet? No. We got stopped at a break even on a buy that we took. We took this buy and we were up 25 something pips, and then we got stopped at a break even. Take profit was 35 pips. So yeah, we weren't there. It was a sniper buy. Centuri. Thank you, brother.
I was hoping one day, man, you could have a kid for real. See you ride the car, they know you really worth a rich meal. We was in the condo, now I see you about to get a crib. Some dollar money, probably why you never took me serious. Put it in the mouth, she ain't take it out, she on a pier. After all we been through, we gotta go our separate ways now. Soon as seen you flight, you took a picture of the shutter. Should have depart your plane, you go to the base claim. Had to drive away for you had the lower level. Niggas to them hold they line, you should know better. You should know them whole DJ fans like Coachella. Coming on the man, every time you fuck, we need a remote. Fly out to France, we trying to learn a different lingo. Got friends who win around the world for love, and they could never find that dream done. Memorize knowing it ain't right, but that shit feel good. Saying I won't fuck with you no more, I probably still would. We cut no for a year straight, me head out on a little date, and we go fuck at her place. Go see with your friends, let us shop for a birthday. This shit I ain't got you, don't mean that I forgot you. Wonder where you been, who you been with. 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 Look, you think who it is you and who's been with you.
Who gives a fuck about your friends not accepting me? We travel all around the world like fuck a referee. I heard you took a trip to London just to go to the mall. You heard I took a couple back streets just to get to the
have a good session, Saxy. Saxy said he's going to the gym. Isn't it? Wait, who else is it that always goes to the gym? Is it Century that also? Yeah, it's Century.
every time
Damn, boy, y'all making me feel horribly fat, bro. Good morning, my neighbors from Brighton. Wait, Brighton Bongani, and yeah, this guy beat that other girl's name. But the other girl's name was like a kind of like a show name, like, you know, it kind of sounds like she'd be like a. But this guy's name is. This guy's name is something. Dude, are you still in the cell? Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god, who's in the cell? Oh! Oh! Does that freak anybody in the cell actually out? I love freaking out whenever someone's in a trade, dude. It gets me so like
You know, you're like I said, I'm in the new traders, bro.
Yeah, I definitely psych out all the new traders when I start screaming. Oh my god, everybody's complaining about their ears. I put the mic capture down. It's gonna capture less volume. Oh! It's your native South African name. I fucking love it. I think that it's a beautiful name. I also come from one of the people that have beautiful names, as in like my name is very complicated. Brighton Bonganivi Indalavu. Love it. Thanks for joining the stream and supporting, brother. I apologize for the screams, boys. Boys, the levels of, I mean, we're taking a buy. Check your IG, Duncan. Ehab is gonna send me hella profits or something. You get exited, huh? What does that mean? I mean, I was in a buy, but I got stopped at a break even a while ago. This live stream, we still have not taken a trade yet, brother. EU buy. Let me see how that EU buy would have played out. EU is melting. You see somebody tell me EU buy. I was like, bro, this thing looks way too bearish. And as EU is falling, GJ is falling, London Bridge is falling, I'm about to pick it all up with a buy, dude. Dude, sound like a goddamn American. 30 pip stop loss. Dude, these candlesticks aren't even that big. I need to stop saying dude. But, oof, it's still falling. Dude, these candlesticks aren't that big. Buy looks nasty. Buy looks like if I hop into a buy, I feel like, look, if I hop into a buy, that's just going to just, whoop, put me straight into drawdown. I bet you anybody else hops into a buy, it's going to just pop. Oh, I get excited? No, I mean, I like whenever price starts falling to get people nervous, or whenever price is like flying, and so I just start, you know, you just start overreacting, and then people start freaking out. It's hilarious. Daniel Savage used to do that to me all the time. Like, we'd be in a trade, and he'd be like, "Oh my god, oh!" And I'd just be like, "Yo, like, yo, I'm supposed to feel confident right now," and he's just like. Huh? For competitions? No, I'm talking about when we're actually in a trade. Like, we'll be in a fucking drawdown and it'll be falling and he'll be like, oh, and I'm just like, oh, fuck. What's my take on GU? Jesus, dude, but are you actually still on the just TP1? Just don't be blowing people's ears out. Miguel's TP1 hit, dude. Now you got me here on stream looking like a coward. I honestly don't think I would have called out that sell. I mean, I did call a little bit of a sniper sell, but it definitely wasn't that big of a take profit. That was when the candlesticks flipped up here. So, I mean, these wicks don't lie. Love that name. Wicks showing us bearish momentum here, boys. So you can see we have a wick to the upside, wick to the upside, wick to the upside, which means that price is being pushed downwards, followed up by a huge bearish candlestick. Remember how I told you guys, we are either going to go from this level to this level, or from this level to this level. And there it happened. Support and resistance act as magnets, boys. And it's going to be the same thing. So like right now, we could go back to the level that we just came from, right? We're going to be at this level. Now, what is the next level beneath there? Realistically, we're talking about like maybe anything like right here. But that's the way price works. It's just a thing of bouncing from zone to zone. So that's why whenever somebody says like, oh, but you don't trade zone to zone, or you trade, I'm like, bro, I trade fucking like it's all the same thing. Like this is a zone to zone analysis of price action, of market structure. I just am not taking the zone to zone trade, but I'm using the zone to zone to understand where I need to take my trade. You know, you see what I mean, boys? That's why I hate answering the question of what's your style of trading, or what's your strategy, or like, dude, suck a dick. Like, go figure out do some more research before you come and ask me some questions like that. I'm just kidding. That's so fucked up. But no, man, I have so many DMs of people that text me and they say, hey, I want to start learning Forex. Why didn't you start learning? I do know I'm being biased on one side. Like I see, yes, you're coming to me to teach you how to trade, I guess. But like realistically, people, boys, everyone, girls, no specific one person is going to make you a profitable trader. There's nothing that one person could specific. Now, I could guide you to the correct information, and that's why I have the links in my bio where I always say, hey, make sure you check out the YouTube live stream and make sure you check out the Discord. Because anybody in Discord talking to other people, you could learn. Joining the live stream, you're gonna be able to see what trading is actually like. I could send you the correct information, but me telling you that this is what a Fibonacci is, this is what a support is, this is what a break is, this is what a morning star is, this is what a teacup handle is, this is what a three soldiers is, this is what a double bottom is, makes no sense, because it's just gonna go in through one ear, go out the other ear. So it's like whenever you need to learn a skill, whenever you don't go to somebody to like, whenever you need to learn something, you kind of need to teach yourself it if you really want to learn it, right? And how do you teach yourself something? I'm not saying do it by yourself, go read a book. No. You could still come to the live stream and teach yourself, but it's just what you're doing with that information, you know, or what you're doing in that moment with that information. Jesus Christ. Oh. 50 SMA is getting touched right now. Most live streamers only do New York session. I used to be able to make it all the way to New York session on live stream. Nonetheless, we have another really great trader that trades on Bullish Lifestyle for New York stream. I said that really retardedly. Hey, Paras is here speaking Indian with some other dude. Hey, that's bad manners, brother. This guy said, Paras, bro, Kandan Seo. And then Paras answered, Chang, I don't know what the fuck he answered. But he definitely answered something that's definitely not freaking English. Or Bentas. He's asking where I live. Oh, wow. Changda is UT of India. Yeah, just share your IP with the dude. London session traders are dying breed. We need more of you in the world. Is a dying breed. London session streamers, I don't think, why do people not, I don't know. Are there any London session streamers that are actually from London, brothers? Yeah, I mean, you guys probably, I mean, there probably is. I don't see why there wouldn't be. I'm asking that genuinely. Is there any other live streamers that actually stream during the fucking morning and live, like in London? It's like Todd Capital or... Dude, who was that guy that I'd make fun of all the time? He used to... I don't remember. What did do Marcus Toulette? No, not Don Vogue. I'm talking about with Daniel Savage a long time ago. We used to make fun of some dude who was... He used to talk like... He was like, maybe like... I don't know. He used to live at his like mom's house and shit. And he'd always talk about Miami traders. He'd always be on his live stream being like, they're Miami traders. They just think you could buy a Lambo, and like he'd talk with his accent, and then out of nowhere we'd join his live stream with Daniel Savage, and then he would be like, "What's up, man?" And like Daniel would be like, "Hey, man, I heard you were talking," and Daniel would confront him in front of everybody. And then it was funny because we'd always make Daniel Savage would always be like, "Yo, fuck that dude. This is all he does. Hide or high, hide or low, hide or high, hide or low." You remember that, or you don't?
I remember, yeah, the days are golden days. He told me about his wrong section.
Dude, I can't. It's like I feel like that guy's name was Todd Capital, but I think I put Todd Capital Effects, and it wasn't him. There was a different guy that came up on Todd. Let me see real quick. Todd. It's not Capital. It's not Todd Capital. Yeah, it's not this guy. It's this guy. Is it not that guy right there? It's not that guy? No, that's Trading Nut. I feel like it's this guy, dude. What's that guy's name? Matthew Todd. Why did I feel like I knew it was Todd? Dude, it's this guy. It's this guy. Let me find his live stream. Wait, how the fuck do you find that, dude? How did I even find him the first time? This is... Like Trading Nut has him best market structure breakdown I've ever seen. He definitely gave him the higher high, higher low. Dude, what's that guy's channel? Tad. It is Todd Capital Group. This guy, dude. That guy right there. I remember perfectly. We used to fucking always fight with this guy on live stream. Y'all know who that is, bro? How do I go to his channel, though? That guy right there. Fucking Trading Nut, dude. This guy fucking makes a whole bunch of videos of you and barely shouts you out on the fucking channel. Yo, you saw that there's a guy messaging us, wanted us to be a part of his prop firm? That guy's prop firm's a scam as fuck. Dude, I need somebody to find out who the fuck, like, what's this guy's profile? I'm dying to fucking talk to this guy again.
I don't want nobody listening. I see them whole precision. Givers my only decision. Young gun don't want that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb?
This guy, dude. I wish I had my headphones on so I could hear him talk. This bitch ass.
Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign and swerve. Keep me a stick if they purge.
Yo, what song is this song? Everybody knows this song, bro. Fuck you mean you don't know the song? It's called Fuck You Mean. This is Paris. This is what Paris listens to when he gets up in the morning. Alright, my bad for focusing so much on that guy. Dude, I finally found this guy. Last time I was trying to find him and I couldn't find him. I just can't find his fucking Instagram profile. Matthew Todd. I knew his name was Todd. That's why I thought it was Todd Capital. But I just... Dude, this guy just shouts himself out. Why the fuck would you have somebody on your... Oh, look at that. Yo. It is Todd Capital Group, but how come Todd Capital Group has some guy with a big beard on his channel? I don't get that part. Like, I put Todd Capital Group and there's some guy with a beard. That's not the same dude. Look at this. This is the guy that keeps on popping up on the guy's channel. Who the fuck is that? That's the guy that I know. That's not that guy. One second, let me see if I go to his videos from a long time ago. Oldest. No camera there? I'll do this research on my own. I need to find this guy again. Alright, Kutch, Such, Cardo, Kai, Start, Dude, these guys are all speaking Indian. Wait, is it what's the, is it called Indian? The language? I mean, you guys speak English. Is he say? I have no idea. So, wow, they're a company. They have multiple. It used to be only that little motherfucker with the fucking mustache. That dude would always talk shit about Miami traders. He'd always talk so much shit, dude. I always hated hearing Hindi. I apologize. Dude, price is falling and I'm not in it. But I like that because I probably would have been in a buy. Taking rejections off of there. So it's kind of like Bullish Lifestyle, because Bullish Lifestyle has multiple people. Dude, this guy was such a hater though, Jesus Christ. This is him. I would pay again to hear this guy give his higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It was so fucking funny, dude. Jesus Christ. Oh, look, this is JP. This is around the time we would join the live stream. That's JP. Yo, I high-key could find myself in these live streams. Look at that. There's JP right there. We used to join these live streams all the time, dude. But look, he would always talk shit when we'd leave. We'd always be able to watch back, dude. This guy was friends with us, but because we'd bring people to his channel. And I don't know where we'd leave, and he'd just be like, I'm the Miami guys, Miami this, everybody thinks they're going, and then we'd just be like, bro, you live in a shitty ass motherfucking place, that's why you just like that's what he said. Yo, that's crazy. Like January 2021. This is, dude, I promise you I popped up in this live stream at one point. That's my boy JP. Ari Corda, I know this guy. I know this guy also. This guy's a boy. He lives in Orlando. Why does that guy look like he has my name? That guy, like, this guy's name is INNCAN. It looks like Duncan. It just says it's Duncan without the D. That's so funny. This is awesome, dude. It's crazy how everything stays on the internet. Dude, we used to raid this guy's channel at one point. Look, Ari, that's Ari. I can't believe that's Ari. That's crazy. That's the actual channel. All right, what day are we on? We're on stream 2 years ago. I want to see one right after this, dude. That's so funny that JP's there. It's dying still? Guys, DJ's melting. Oh my god. And you're still on the cell? Have you closed at all? When are you gonna close? He is life right now. Who's living life right now? JP? My bad, boys. We stopped and taking a trade. I just don't want to. I mean, like I've made it very clear that man, there's been so many times where we have not taken a trade on live stream. I'm not saying that we're gonna not take a trade on live stream, but I definitely don't put my viewers into trades that I don't want to be in. That's where, you know, it just makes no sense. That's where it's just I'm taking a trade to just take a trade, which I don't want to do because it's not fair for you guys to come and try to take my trade and then me just getting frustrated and be like, oh, let me just fucking take the risk for the biscuit here. I don't do that, boys. I'm gonna put my money wherever I put my money, and if you guys want to put your money where I put my money, you can do that. If not, man, cash is a position. Little by little, you guys will learn that cash is a position. Dude, that's so crazy. I saw JP there. That was fire. Oh, that boy living life. All right, I clicked on another one. 23rd of June. If I just fucking find a live stream around the time where I saw the setup that like he used to always have when we'd be on, I'd be able to find myself. I'm glad this guy's still fucking doing well though. Well, I'm glad now he's probably doing well. Higher high, higher low. Dude, I promise you, if you fucking find that, if you find the clip of him fucking giving a breakdown, and you're gonna hear the higher high, higher low, and it's fucking priceless. It's awesome. He definitely had to like fucking make a brand out of that. Please look at gold. Let's look at gold. The lobby's like freaking should work for a superhero. Like behind the keyboard, you know, doing everything before it goes down. Guys, drop a big like to the stream. It helps a lot. Yes, it does, boys. Drop a big like. Helps us try. If we get to 150 likes, which we got to 100 yesterday, so if we get to 150 likes, we will do another VIP giveaway. The VIP giveaways go hard because a whole bunch of people get fucking scammed out of their VIP for not following. So that following and cheating. Boys, like, so it's at a major level of support. Gold's at a major level of support, but I do not see myself taking a buy from here. I definitely think that. Man, you just gotta be patient with what's happening right now with price. Oh. No, you did not miss the trade. I missed the trade, if anything. I did not take the sell. The sell was up on the board nonetheless. We came out, we closed that break even from a buy. So that was a great exit. It was a great observation not taking a trade. I'm very happy so far with the stream because we have, oh look, broke this level, coming down to the low. This is exactly what I fucking painted. Guys, did I not just fucking draw this out before? I was like, look, we break this level, we're realistically coming down to, I don't know, I think I'd draw it a little bit lower. But we're there. It's the way support and resistance works. Next level under here would be like down here. Now, Paras, no gold buys. Don't trick the trap. Don't trick the chat. All right. Good shit, brother. You just got out your trade, so you sacrifice yourself. I see that it's fucking melting now. Holy fuck. Almost got burned. No, the lobby? What do you mean? What happened? Listen, tried my best. Nah, dude, you did great catching the sell. You did great. I just always have a joke of like price always. Whenever you close out your trades, when it actually starts like fucking, it's like it's a sacrifice. So whoever's in a sell right now, they want to sacrifice themselves for the rest of the people. Close it, and I bet you it's gonna keep on melting. Kenyan was a clear example. Kenyan goes, man, I tried my best. I was getting ready for the snipe trade, the lie. When did you buy it? Yes, got into sell, profit 4% off a 25k account. Damn, bro. So you're still, bro. I'm just gonna imagine. That's great, brother. That's more than I fucking made today, so that's great. 6. That boy's 6 been in the stream here for a while. Dude, price is just melting. Miguel's TP2 hit. You see how I said once we bounce from this zone, we're gonna bounce to another zone. It's either from here to here, or from here to here, or either from here to here, and then now from here to here, or from here to here. No need for, dude. What's happening right now? I'm so happy I'm not in the trade right now. Miguel's TP3 is on the way, he said. Miguel's just smiling, looking at his phone. I've been making like 2,000 a minute. So high up through the clouds, I was swimming. I'm probably gonna drown when I'm in it. I bet she. But I do love your streams. I've been watching every night since I found you. Keep it up. I truly appreciate it. Yo, make sure you guys are in the Discord. Hopefully you're in the Discord, and make sure you follow us on Instagram, all our Instagram pages. We're always dropping content, and I'm always making an announcement where you'll be able to see what's coming up. I truly appreciate you coming back to the live stream and showing support. Even if you're taking your own trades, even if you're doing your own thing, just coming by, dropping a like, and saying what's up. I fucking love that shit. Truly appreciate it. So thank you, brother. Osama says, W. All right, so we're an hour and 14 minutes into London session. Now is exactly where I would use that terminology of, hey, are we actually gonna keep on fucking melting the rest of the fucking session? Boys, are we? I think the NAS 100 is a great pair to trade. I personally have never even executed a trade on it. Never. I've traded US 30 a lot, traded SPX 500 a lot. I've traded oil. That was ridiculous. But no, I haven't tried NAS. But NAS is normal. A whole bunch of people trade NAS. I'm one of those hard-headed traders, man. I like trading my pairs. I keep it very, very military style, consistent. NAS is your baby. Paras. You're only like 18 though, brother. Fundamentally, GBP should be relatively bearish this week. Yes, Juan Ducatis. If you are new to trading, just trade US 30. It's easy. Whoa. That's how you get somebody to never come back to the charts again. Even though that's what I started trading. Para said, nah, not that type of baby. For that type of baby, I need to come to Miami. Woo! Dude, price is still falling. Wow. Oh. Why don't you say it? Why don't you say it? Announce it. I mean, I don't know. I haven't thought of it, but I don't see why not. For who? Oh, that's where you don't say. Oh, no way. That's useless, dude. What is that? Those were separate? Those were separate? Oh, you're in profit now? Nice. Very far. Good shit. All right, so Miguel just basically showed me that he just passed 2 challenges. And, I mean, yeah, everything. I could say everything. You passed 2 challenges right now, and you're up on an account that we're managing live. For the 2nd time in a row. Then why wouldn't you? I don't get why. Yeah, whatever, boys. Miguel caught this whole motherfucking sell and definitely profited off of it. Literally just passed a 200K account. Passed 2 200Ks and fucking up on a live account management. Miguel, yeah, that's when Miguel gets on fire, gets on fire. Paras said, oh, thank you, Paras. You're amazing. And Delavi said, Miguel el Pape. Century said, Miguel on fire W. Enzo said, Miguel goated. Dude, it's still going. Yo, it's going harder now. Oh! Are you still in? You sacrificed yourself. Yo, Miguel just sacrificed himself and this shit's dying. Yo, the sacrifices work, bro. I'm telling you. Dude, right when you closed. That's how you get people upset and you get them itching. Kenyon said, the guy that we told him that he closed out early, said, hey, join the team. Yo, it's melting though. Look at it. It's on ATP3. He missed out on a whole third. I'm trying to get him psyched. He's freaking out. Emotions are in the sky right now, boys. All right, what I did want to show you guys is that we did launch our Telegram channel back again, boys. Make sure that that link is working, but we do send free trades on the Telegram channel of all the other pairs that you guys typically see me not take trades on. So make sure you guys join that Telegram channel. Make sure you guys also join the Discord. Make sure you guys, yeah. All right, we're starting to see. Oh, and look how I drew this other support level down here, and I told you guys this was the next support level that was gonna get hit, and how it got hit, and then we bounced. Literally, it's easy, man. You literally just see the zones. Every zone's gonna get respected. Why? Because it's there for a reason. Just kidding. That's a bad thing to go by, but. Boys, I am shocked with what's happening with price right now, and going at the weekly candlestick chart right now, we see that the weekly, remember how wicks don't lie, boys? Weekly resistance was respected, lower resistance was respected, lower resistance was just barely made, previous resistance was respected. Looking at the wicks on the weekly, we see that there is bearish momentum here, right? Also, man, bearish candlestick, continuation candlestick, and this is about to flip bearish, which gets me even more scared. So it's like it's telling me, yeah, I could snipe buys and try to catch a counter, like a little bit of a retracement, but like, Jesus Christ, it still looks like it needs to melt. As well as this 8 SMA being a major magnet level, being attracting price. Dalavi says GBP news and 10 minutos. All right, boys, let's see if there's news of your guys is gonna. Is Eric still here? I want to know what trade Eric is in. Eric, you still around, brother? Bro. Eric is the go-to guy whenever you want to make sure you're on the correct side of the market. Eric doing jobs these days. Gold breakdown. I mean, the gold breakdown, dude, it's just, I mean, honestly, it's just, I mean, it's ugly price action from the top, right? And then starting since yesterday, we saw it was going to keep on going bullish. We went to the bottom of the range. Once we got to the bottom of the range, we didn't even bounce off the bottom of the range, right? I took a long here thinking we were going to go to the top of the range. We kept on going to the bottom of the range. We actually got stopped out at break even, so yeah, we didn't even lose here. But now that we are at the bottom of the range, we showed a liquidity grab, showed another liquidity grab, and now it was a fake liquidity grab. We're actually going downwards. So just, yeah, we're very bearish on gold right now. Look at the daily candlestick chart. It's about to reach the 8 SMA. It's huge magnet level. I think we need to touch, I think if this gold is going to engulf the 8 SMA and the daily. I think gold's going to 1932 pretty soon. It's not the prettiest of charts, boys. It's not the prettiest. All right, now I want everyone. I need people paying attention. One's in the chat if you're in the VIP. I want to know who's in the VIP channel. Who is a VIP member in here watching right now? VIP members, show themselves.
But you still told me that you lied. We made it work, but you still found a ways around. Extended verse, somehow we still ain't see the high. I paid the fine, pay that line between that line, smoke that thigh. I know it hurt, but you still.
Right? Adrian says finally something happens on London. 2 months was dead. That's what it feels like, dude. Present. All right, guys, I'm gonna start ending the live stream here. I know it's been a short live stream. I don't see myself taking a trade in the next 20-30 minutes, and I'm gonna start a private Zoom with my live stream. What the fuck am I saying? I'm gonna start a private Zoom with my VIP. So, boys, I'm sorry that we did not catch a trade in this whole little early London move. I potentially am gonna be back on live stream later on in New York stream. Maybe Miguel's gonna be on live. There's gonna be a bullish live on New York stream. What I do know is that VIP, we are gonna start a Zoom within 10 minutes right now. And see you guys during the VIP. Everyone who joins the live stream, guys, I truly apologize that I'm not going to do a longer live stream. I kind of want to make sure I'm going to do a little private. I know I'm not going to take a trade right now, so within the next 30 minutes, 40 minutes, I prefer to just be in a private Zoom. Like I said, boys, truly appreciate all you guys for joining. Really look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. We're going to be live streaming every single day. It's one trade a day series that I'm going to be doing with you guys. If you guys want to check out the track record, make sure you guys check out the track record as well. To the moment, we have a break even and a win and a break even. Month before that, we only took 4 losses, 9 wins. That's not too good. Before that, 15 wins, 7 losses. Before that, 7 wins, 2 losses. Before that, 11 wins, 2 losses. Before that, 9 wins, 2 losses. So just make sure you guys join, and thank you guys for supporting the channel. Much love to you guys. See you guys, VIP members. See you soon, very soon, right now. Peace.
She love it on. I know she just wanna fuck 'cause I'm rich. I ran to the top, ain't slow on shit, ain't make no pit stops. I ran up the mud and make it flip, something like TikTok. Thuggin' in a brick house, Pookie serving Chris Rock. If I knew how to spin a bit, yeah, I'd spin again. We could've slide out of time. Just la la la.
3.5 years no till, man. Yeah.
I just want to thank you for your part that you played, and I just appreciate you that you believed in everything that I said. And,
Sosa home, no more free Sosa.
No more.
That's all I want. Sosa here. Some chat. Down. Yeah. Some chat, man.
I done put 20 up under the seat. You need. Hey. I done put 20 inside the seat. I pull up on you.
It's still melting, boys. See ya, GJ. Peace. See ya.
I hopped out the coupe and no presence of bitch. You did. Since I was a youngin', I've been in the door. You did. I came out back in and I turned up the show. You did. I want how to say it against me. You did. I put the V-net on my chin, yeah. You did. I think everything that you're saying. I think everything that you're doing too. I did the way that you look at me. You did the way that I look at you. I just wanna grab on your butt, but the seat in the Benz a Chanel clutch. The F in to give him a haircut. I roll up a salmon the John Dutch. That big booty bounce on the dick in it, bro. I don't gotta act like a gangster, she know. Dope. My bad will look like a pole. Yeah, my bad will look like a pole. I sit on clouds of the smoke. I'ma blow clouds of the smoke. Pardon me, pardon my soul.